Are you or someone you love battling cancer right now? Or maybe you're just doing everything you can to make sure it never gets the chance to take hold. It's easy to feel powerless, like your only options are chemo, radiation, and a long list of side effects. But what if there was a natural herbal tea with real cancer-fighting power? One that's been quietly studied, yet kept out of the spotlight. I'm Barbara O'Neill, and today I'll reveal the 7 powerful herbal teas that may help kill cancer cells and why hardly anyone's talking about it. Once you hear the science behind this, you'll never look at your cup of tea the same way again. Number 7, chamomile tea. Chamomile isn't just a bedtime drink. It's an underrated powerhouse for your immune system and cellular protection. And here's where it gets interesting. Beyond helping you relax, chamomile contains apigenin, a natural compound that's been studied for its ability to stop cancer cells from multiplying. Now, in one study published in Phytotherapy Research, apigenin was shown to trigger apoptosis, the exact process your body uses to safely eliminate damaged or dangerous cells. Researchers observed this effect particularly in prostate and breast cancer lines, making chamomile one of the gentlest yet most potent allies in your daily routine. Chamomile also fights chronic inflammation, something many experts now link directly to the start and spread of cancer. The flavonoids and antioxidants in this tea help your body respond to oxidative stress and DNA damage, while also supporting restful sleep, a critical but often overlooked part of your healing and recovery system. Another key reason chamomile is so valuable is its gut calming effect. Your gut houses up to 70% of your immune system. By soothing the digestive tract, chamomile helps maintain a strong, balanced gut environment, which translates to better defense against abnormal cells and inflammation. But like with nuts, moderation matters. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day, ideally in the evening. Look for organic dried flowers or reputable chamomile tea bags, and skip the ones blended with synthetic flavours or hidden sugars. A good chamomile tea should smell earthy, not artificial. And just like a handful of almonds, this tea is small, simple, and surprisingly effective when used consistently. Now moving to number 8, which is a root so powerful, researchers have called it nature's chemo preventer, not because it replaces treatment, but because of how it helps cancer cells self-destruct without harming the healthy ones. Number 6, ginger tea. You've probably sipped it when you had a cold, but ginger tea is so much more than a home remedy. This spicy root has been used for centuries to ease digestion and nausea, but recent research is revealing its much bigger potential, especially when it comes to cancer prevention. The secret lies in a compound called 6-gingerol, which has been shown in lab studies to help fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and most importantly, trigger apoptosis, the self-destruction of cancer cells. While human trials are still ongoing, results from several lab studies are already promising. In one study published in Cancer Prevention Research, ginger extract significantly reduced the growth of colorectal cancer cells without harming healthy tissue. Other studies suggest similar benefits against ovarian, pancreatic, and breast cancer cells. Another reason ginger tea is worth adding to your daily routine: it supports your immune system, helps reduce chronic inflammation, and may even improve insulin sensitivity, all of which are crucial when it comes to reducing cancer risk as we age. To make it, slice a 1 to 2 inch piece of fresh ginger and simmer it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 1 or 2 cups daily, ideally between meals. And for extra immune support, try adding a bit of lemon, just skip the sugar to keep it therapeutic. If you prefer supplements, ginger capsules or powders can be just as effective. I've left a few clean options in the description below this video if you'd rather not brew it yourself. Number 5, dandelion root tea. Now this might sound like something you would find growing in your backyard, and that's because it is. But don't let that fool you. Dandelion root is one of the most underrated cancer-fighting herbs available. The active compounds in dandelion root, particularly taraxasterol and shikoric acid, have been shown in multiple lab studies to trigger apoptosis, the natural death of cancer cells. One study from evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine found that dandelion root extract caused leukemia cells to self-destruct, all while leaving healthy cells untouched. It's also been studied for its effects on pancreatic, breast and prostate cancers, showing signs of slowing cell growth and reducing inflammation around tumour sites. That's powerful support from something most people treat as a weed. Another big reason to consider this tea is that it supports liver detoxification. Your liver plays a major role in clearing out carcinogens and excess hormones, both of which can contribute to cancer development if not managed properly. Dandelion root helps stimulate bile flow, clean the blood, and flush out toxins more efficiently. To prepare dandelion root tea, use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried roasted root in hot water. Let it steep for about 10 minutes. Drink once or twice a day. The taste is earthy and slightly bitter, but it pairs well with cinnamon or lemon if you need to mellow it out. Not a fan of the flavour? You are not alone. That's why many people opt for dandelion root capsules or powdered supplements. Number 4. Reishi mushroom tea or powder supplement. Known for more than 2,000 years in Chinese medicine, reishi mushroom, sometimes called the mushroom of immortality, is gaining modern recognition for its impressive effects on the immune system and its potential to help in cancer prevention. Unlike everyday mushrooms, reishi is loaded with bioactive compounds like beta-glucans and triterpenoids. These substances help boost the immune response, reduce inflammation, and assist the body in recognising and eliminating abnormal cells. What really stands out are the beta-glucans, which enhance the performance of natural killer cells, a type of immune cell that hunts down and destroys tumours. In a 2023 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers tested reishi extract in mice and found it reduced lung tumour growth while also decreasing lung toxicity. They credited this success to the mushroom's unique compounds, which help regulate immune responses and reduce inflammation linked to tumour growth. But reishi's benefits go beyond cancer. It supports the immune system as a whole, helping with energy, immune resilience, and even stress hormone balance, all important factors when it comes to staying healthy. To make reishi tea, simmer 1 to 2 grams of dried mushroom slices in water for at least 30 minutes. This long simmer is needed to extract its powerful compounds. Drink 1 cup a day, preferably on an empty stomach, for best absorption. The taste is earthy and slightly bitter, but it's worth it. Reishi tea is like a silent general for your immune army, mobilising your natural defences one sip at a time. Number 3, coriander seed tea. It might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to cancer-fighting drinks, but coriander seeds are surprisingly potent. These tiny seeds are packed with antioxidants, essential oils, and compounds that support detox, fight inflammation, and protect cells from damage. One of the standout benefits is coriandrin, a natural compound found in coriander seeds, has been shown in studies to slow the growth of certain cancer cells, particularly in the liver, breast, and colon, by promoting apoptosis, the natural self-destruction of abnormal cells. And unlike harsh chemical treatments, coriander supports your body without disrupting healthy tissues. Another reason this tea is worth adding to your routine is its digestive and detoxifying power. Coriander seed tea helps cleanse the liver and flush out heavy metals, a major win if you're focused on reducing your toxin load, which is crucial in any anti-cancer lifestyle. Plus, it's been used traditionally to soothe bloating, regulate blood sugar, and calm the nervous system, all while delivering a gentle, earthy flavour that pairs beautifully with ginger or lemon. To prepare, use 1 to 2 teaspoons of crushed coriander seeds in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Have it once or twice daily, especially after meals. Not into making tea from scratch? You can also use organic coriander seed capsules as a convenient supplement. I've linked a few reliable options down below in the description. Now this next one is made from the part of the fruit nobody talks about, yet it's showing anti-cancer effects that rival modern drugs. 2. Pomegranate peel tea. Most people toss the peel and keep the seeds, but in the case of the pomegranate, that's a big mistake. The peel is actually one of the most potent parts of the fruit when it comes to cancer-fighting power. Rich in ellagic acid, punicalagins and other polyphenols, pomegranate peel is proving to be a strong, natural candidate in cancer prevention. In a 2023 study published in Molecules, researchers studied pomegranate peel extract and its impact on cervical cancer cells. The results were eye-opening. The extract reduced cancer cell activity and stopped the cells from spreading, 2 crucial factors in stopping tumour growth. Scientists believe this is due to the high concentration of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in the peel. Ellagic acid is especially important. It helps protect DNA and prevent abnormal cell reproduction, while punicalagins help regulate inflammation and interfere with the signals that tumours use to grow. To make the tea, wash and dry the peel thoroughly, then grind it into a fine powder. Use 1 teaspoon per cup of boiling water and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink 1 cup per day, preferably without sweetness to get the full benefit. It may be an overlooked part of the fruit, but pomegranate peel tea is a hidden powerhouse, transforming kitchen scraps into daily cellular protection. 1. Matcha tea. And now we've reached the final tea on our list, and it's one of the most concentrated plant-based health boosters out there. Unlike regular green tea, where you steep the leaves and throw them out, matcha is made from finely ground whole green tea leaves. That means you're drinking all of the nutrients, not just a portion of them. Matcha is especially rich in EGCG, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-cancer properties. In a 2023 study published in Cancer Cell International, scientists found that matcha extract reduced breast cancer cell viability by changing how those cells processed energy and stopping them from multiplying. EGCG doesn't just help with breast cancer. Studies also show benefits in liver, prostate and skin cancers, making matcha one of the most broadly beneficial teas in cancer prevention research. Matcha also boosts mental clarity and calm focus thanks to L-theanine, a naturally occurring amino acid. Combined with chlorophyll and other polyphenols, matcha supports both brain health and natural detoxification. To prepare it, whisk 1 to 2 grams of sifted matcha powder with hot, not boiling, water until smooth and slightly frothy. Drink once a day, preferably in the morning or early afternoon for sustained energy and cellular support. Grounded in tradition and backed by science, matcha tea truly is a green force of nature. Now, I want you to watch this next video on your screen. You will be shocked about the benefits of olive oil and what it can do for you.